That was the one I've been eyeing up for about 6 months right now.
Time to be picky eating.
I need the chainsaw, Candace.
Tough to get through there. Give me one of them for Valentine's Day.
Yeah. We're gonna pull the greens with it, the stalk here, and give them the chickens at least. I don't want all those waste.
Hey, might as well use it if we can.
So, hey guys, I thought I had a mole problem, but I have a garter snake problem, it looks like. So look at this cabbage. It's beautiful. We had a fantabulous gardening year so far, and it's continuing tenfold. I think the work you put in all year, long, ends up paying off in July, August, September. July, and I think it's starting to pay off. What do you think?
Yeah. Huh?
What are we making?
All kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
Yep. We're making steak for dinner.
Yes.
Yum.
What is that?
That is ribeye steak.
Yeah.
Yep.
Where'd you get it?
Not from the store.
No.
So
It's not Butcher Box either. We're not a paid promotion from Butcher Box.
No, it's not Butcher Box. It's from a local farm. So that's where we get all our meat from. I have not bought meat in the store in over a year now.
It's been a couple years.
Okay, I take that back.
Well, we
take
buy
that
a
back.
thing of burger once in a while.
We-
I feel like we would do mass taco meat or whatever.
Yeah, but we buy brats. We buy brats and fish. But other than that, we get all of our meat. We got it all
Beef and pork.
locally. Yep, beef, pork, venison, all local. Well, the stuff we did last night we're gonna pickle, and then the stuff we got today we're gonna shred some carrots with it and make a brine and can it so we have it for coleslaw.
Sweet.
And we also have peppers that
More
we're gonna
peppers,
can.
yeah. It looks like we're gonna have
Peppers.
about 2 bowlfuls of peppers every week at least. So we got peppers here, and then we got our first pickles of the season. I think we can get a jar. Probably 1 jar of pickles out of that. So we gotta process this cabbage and these peppers up. So that's what we're doing today. We're not doing a how-to video or anything.
Nope.
So
We're just having fun in our kitchen today.
yep. Look at that.
What do we got this time?
Shredded cabbage. See? That's what you want right there, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's what I want. That's beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't believe you. You were right, I was wrong.
Ha-ha! Imagine that.
Once.
Shredding carrots for
Yep.
slaw. See, look at that. Shredded cabbage. This is awesome. Alright. Yahtzee. Carrots.
Yeah. Oh, out into the steam bath.
What you getting?
Grape leaves. I
And
said it right that time. Dill.
So we happen to have a
Grapevine.
grapevine at the house, and we use grape leaves to help keep our...
Why is the garden open?
That's a good question.
Those are grape leaves. The magic crisper. I'm making brine and Getting jars ready to pack.
Show everybody your shelf.
My shelf? I did last night, I think.
Did you? Yeah.
There's my handiwork, did it all by myself. So we're gonna add olive leaves and some more CRISPR and hope it does the job.
Apparently we have an olive tree in the backyard now.
We're gonna add grape leaves. Is that better?
For whatever reason, Candace always says olive leaves when she's talking about grape leaves. So we're just trying to can up these mess of peppers here that we picked last night and get some of our cabbage going here. We thought we'd talk with you about how stuff's going here.
Yeah. Everything's going really good. Got a mess of peppers. I'm kind of liking the pace of the peppers. We get like a canning a week. A couple cans. I don't know, how much would you say?
How many peppers? 2
Yeah.
popcorn bowl fulls.
Yeah.
What you got over here, Candace?
I got a whole mess of peppers.
There you
I got some pepperoncinis, I got Hungarian wax, jalapenos, bananas, and our brine. We're getting it all ready to go, all ready to jar up in the can, and that's that.
We're just having a fun old time over here, aren't we?
Yep. Having a heyday on a Saturday.
There you go. So this time we put a little bit more CRISPR in our jars, and we also added grape leaf here to them. I didn't do it with the pepperoncinis. These I'm just making a pickled peppercini that I'm not hot water bathing. I'm just going to put the hot brine in, seal the jar up, and then throw it in the fridge after it cools down. So I'm going to eat these for the next few weeks here. I'll probably take a jar of these to work, leave a jar here at the house, and eat them up. I eat a lot of these. They're really super good. Candace just went down and grabbed a quart jar, wide mouth quart jar, so we can put, I don't know, do you think we need a quart? I don't know, it might not be enough. We're gonna do pickles, just a 1 jar of pickles. This will be our first jar of pickles for this season. That's all we've got ready, but we've got a lot of cucumbers on the vine right now, so probably next week we'll have a couple more. Everything's coming in nice and steady right now, but I got a feeling in a week or so she's gonna pick up speed tremendously. We're supposed to get a good dry spell here with quite a bit of heat coming in, so it's gonna really make the old garden pop. Oh, this is cool too. This is dill from our garden. So this is we've never grown herbs before. Can you believe it? So this is the first time we've gotten to use our own herbs and dill on our own pickles. So what we ended up with last year, like 1 or 2 jars of homegrown pickles. And then we had bought.
And we had bought some of the farmers market.
Yeah, we bought pickles at the farmers market, which were incredible. But yeah, we only did the one jar, which they were good as well. But this year we're just gonna have a lot more. You need just to.
Pickles on top.
Yeah, I was just getting it ready. What'd you just put in there?
Peppercorn.
Can't hear you.
Peppercorns. And that is just pickling spice.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Gagne pickles. First jar of the year.
Yeehaw.
Ladling our brine into our refrigerator pepperoncinis. These are just tight.
Tight, tight?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go.
Refrigerator
Rolling.
pickling. What? What'd you say?
I said there's one.
One.
Refrigerator pepperoncini.
Now what we can, Candace?
We're canning cabbage.
Pickled? Pickled cabbage?
Pickled cabbage. Just packing her in here. Packing it tight.
With a spoon?
With a spoon. Hey, you use what you got, right?
Yep. Cool. And then I just been rinsing our slaw over here. So that's gonna be pickled cabbage over there. And then I've got coleslaw, right?
Yep.
For this. So we got, that's just half of it. I've just been rinsing them in batches, so. That was about one head of cabbage right there and about 3 carrots. Well, we got a storm brewing up here to our north, and we just got done doing all our canning. Trying to get some chores done here real quick before the storm comes. We'll have those taken care of. And then I think we're gonna do our grilling. Probably wait till the storm passes through, and
Yeah, that'd probably be a good idea.
then we'll do our grill. Look at them guys. Ooh, but okay, them are big chickies.
Okay, I think we're good. I think we got it done in time.
Cool.
It's a rumbling in the distance.
Yep. Yep, it's raining. The ducks are probably out loving it. Yeah, I can see them there. Hard to see on my phone, but they're over there just hanging out.
You think it's raining out?
Yeah, I think it's raining.
You think it's raining? Yeah.
The old duckers are loving it. They're standing right out there, right in the rain. We'll probably go let them out here this afternoon once it stops raining. We'll let them go splash around all these puddles. So here we are. Sorry for the air conditioner going in the background, but I'm not turning it off because it's hot in here. We got our coleslaw here canned up, our pickles, our pickled cabbage. We got let's see, two pickled cabbages there and 3 coleslaw, a pickle. We got some banana peppers, some Hungarian wax peppers, and some pickled jalapenos, and some pepperoncinis. So yeah, that was quite the canning adventure today. Look at that. So we're outside here after the storm.
It's quite wet.
Yeah, everything's soaking wet, but I figure I'll let these duckers out. Oh, come here, ducks. Come on, ducks. Well, we're back outside after the second round of storms, and I'm getting the grill going, guys. We're gonna grill us some steaks and some potatoes and eat a little bit of coleslaw. Alright guys, back out here at the grill, and we're just throwing some taters on. So I got in here just some potatoes wrapped in tin foil with some garlic and onion and a few spices, and then we just got a couple regular baked taters down here. So we're gonna let these guys go. Yeah, that looks yummy. So
All right, these puppies are going on. That's what's going on Gagne Farms tonight.
oh yeah.
You might want to attend to that fire.
Okay, we're gonna shut that guy for about 4 minutes.
4 minutes per side.
Yeah, it ain't gonna be long. All right, let's give a check on these steaks. Ooh wee! Ooh wee! Look at that. I'm gonna check that guy right there because I think he might be the coldest out of them all. Oh, that is super done. Yeah. Super done. We need to get these guys off.
Yeah,
hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. I know it was a little bit different video. We're gonna do our Gagne Lives on Thursdays from here on out, as far as I know. So you guys tune in Thursday night, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for our Thursday night live with the Gagne Farms, and me and Candace will hang out, answer any questions you guys might have, talk, chat, whatever you guys want to do. So thanks for hanging out with us. We're gonna go in and eat this delicious steak. I'm sorry, but this stuff, oh, I can just smell it right here. So I gotta go eat this. You guys have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.